Also, a few other things to mention is the collection of gears rank from easiest to the most troublesome. Deliveroo, the gears, you pay $50 and they deliver to you, and it's just $50 investment upfront. For GrabFood, you have to pay $75 for bicycle, if I don't recall wrongly. And don't forget that you probably have to take a Grab bag because the items, the accessories, the gears can be quite bulky, heavy and bulky. So this is just a quick summary of how the three platforms are like. I should be at least 95% right, because it's been at least 2 years since I joined GrabFood and Foodpanda. And for Deliveroo, it's just recently, the last month, Chinese New Year, February, early February, I joined Deliveroo lah, but started really doing Deliveroo this April. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!